Hello, today is 5th November 2017. I'm Mohammed Imtiaz Ali, a civil engineer. I'm innovative. Earlier episode, we have discussed about in all cases of viral disease, there is a growth of millions, billions, trillions of living organisms in the blood found. On eradication of millions, billions, trillions of living organisms from the blood, DNA and RNA diseases will get negative tests. DNA and RNA tests will get negative from positive. For example, HIV DNA will get negative, HBV DNA will get negative, PSA DNA will get negative, cancer DNA will get negative, and as well as RNS will also get negative. Enzyme is a substance discharged by the living organism, bacteria. We have eradicated living organism. We have to remove substance discharged by excrete or excretion. Millions, billions, trillions of living organisms excrete in the blood. What are the content of excretion? Excretion contents. 1. Antibody substances, sorbent, fluorescent, prostate, cancer, extra, cancer antigen. Second, 2. Sputum antibody substances in the blood. Third, increase in alkaline phosphatase level in the blood. Fourth, increase in serum bilirubin level in the blood. Fifth, increase in level of sugar in the blood. How to remove antibody substances? Tablet Udiliv 300 mg twice daily, manufactured by Dupen Laboratories Private Limited, to remove sorbent, fluorescent, prostate cancer antigens. Udiliv, I have detected this tablet from internet. Udiliv eradicate bile, poison, sorbent, fluorescent, prostate cancer, extra. Regularly decreasing values of virus poison will get negative. How to remove sputum antibodies from the blood? Use of tablet Keratin C, manufactured by Mercury Lab. Use 10 tablets twice a day to bind sputum particles from the blood. Lumps of sputum floats in the blood, in the stomach. In the stomach, remove sputum antibody substances from the stomach by vomiting arthrostools using digestive pills. There is a growth of in the sputum contains sputum if conducted sputum culture test, there is a growth of Streptococcus pyogenes living organism found. Eradicate it with using tablets Ciprobit 200 mg, manufactured by Zydus Alidac. Use 30 numbers for 3 times to eradicate Streptococcus pyogenes microorganism from the sputum. Injection histoglobulin, subcutaneous route only. Route is subcutaneous. Injection histoglobulin, route is applied route is subcutaneous. Manufactured by Serum Institute of India. Use alternate day, which removes virus or poison from the blood. Use tablet cetirizine hydrochloride, manufactured by Ranbaxy. Use 1 tablet whenever itching. As a digestive, use tablet Rantac 150 mg, manufactured by JB Chemicals, Hayam Churan, manufactured by Sethi Brothers. Tablet OF 200 whenever semen discharged through urine for 3 days, once daily. Tablet Voveran SR 100 whenever body pain, 1 tablet whenever body pain. Values of virus or poison slowly or regularly decreasing. Use HIV negative, HBsAg negative, prostate antigen negative, cancer antigen negative. Doctors must give treatment to wound, cyst, ulcer, tumor in case of cancer patients. To collect all the proof, follow my Facebook timeline photos www.facebook.com/imtiaz imtiyaz.ali.399 and follow me my website www.viraldiseasesmyth.atavist.com. Thank you. I have submitted viral disease treatment project to Prime Minister. Prime Minister forwarded several grievances to Indian Council of Medical Research, but Indian Council of Medical Research not ready to verify due to any one of the reason. Indian Council of Medical Research refuses to verify viral disease treatment project, but there is a mythological conception throughout the world. Doctors killing patients throughout the world because of mythological conception only. Whenever is conception is not true, how patients will get treatment, and antiretroviral drugs providing in the name of viral diseases are mythological conception. Vaccinations are providing in the name of viral disease, mythological conceptions. Thank you. Raise your voice. Please collect.